Hey guys, welcome back. Day two. So, as I left you guys on the first day of our maze drawing, we did our preliminary maze setup and asked you to make your own maze on the back of the rubric. And today we're going to transfer this now onto our grid that we put on our 3D looking copy. So you can do this one of two ways. You can either redraw this over and then erase the lines that you want to erase, or like I'm going to do now is I'm just going to start erasing the lines that I do not need. So I need these first three, three more on that line, and one. We have one going back. See, I already erased some of these lines there. These two need to be gotten rid of. Okay, so why don't you go ahead and do that, and I'll be back shortly with the next step. Okay, I'm back. So I got rid of all the lines we didn't need, so now this matches up, and work it around, and it all works out. So the next step you want to do is put your wall thickness. So you need to decide which side you want to put it on. So if you put it on the right side of all your lines going back, you need to stay on the right side. So we'll do that. Keep your maze handy so you can use it as a reference. So you don't have to do a ton more erasing. This is also a good time if you feel that you don't really like how this looks or how it's going, that you probably only have about a half hour invested, and it'd be a good time to fix it up a little bit. And keep in mind, when your lines keep getting farther away, they're going to get smaller. I didn't want to go all the way there. And this last line is going to be pretty darn little. All right, so now that's all the lines going this way. Now we need the lines going back, and I'm going to do the same thing. Except for this time, I'm going to run it on the outside, so you might have to add a little bit of line to some of this. Remember, we're going to our vanishing point with all these lines. So it's the top of that wall. Close all these wall ends. Okay, looks like we've got all our wall thicknesses now. So the next step is we're going to show our show some more detail with our walls by putting verticals in on all the corners. So we'll first start with the doorway. So the door is going to go right here, and again, make sure that we're running our lines vertically, and we can go ahead and erase the top part of the wall. So we will not see the inside part of that wall, but we will see the inside of the right-hand side. And we'll finish the bottom using our vanishing point. So walking in. So now we would see the floor, and we're going to see where this wall comes down. So this is where you can use a little bit of your own creativeness and just say that's where. So this is the floor, this is the sidewall. And we can start making vertical lines wherever there is a corner or a wall edge. And then ask yourself, can I see the width of a corner? And if you do, you put double lines. Here's a wall that we missed, that I missed. And keep making your verticals. You're going to see this, your maze is just going to start to pop. Corner of a wall. Go around checking. So we're coming here. So this wall needs to be removed. There you have it. So there's all your vertical lines, and last one where we will exit. Erase that spot. Okay, so hopefully by the end of class today, you can be at this point. Day 3, we will apply some shading, so you'll be able to tell where your light source is coming from. So let's just say if my light source was up on the right-hand side, my walls that are on the right side would be the ones getting shaded, and then you'd have shade on the outside over here. We'll talk more about that next time, and if you have any questions, please let me know.